Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3 key battery. First, identify if your key is the flip-out style or the smart key version. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having the right tools makes this simple process even smoother. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side or back of your key and press it to release the emergency key blade. Slide the blade out completely. Then, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob, starting from the seam. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to note which way the positive side is facing before you remove it. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and snap them back together until you hear a click. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Give your key a quick test to ensure all buttons are working correctly and the car responds. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your refreshed key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.